Okay, I really did not expect this Pallet Buster video to take off. I posted it last year, and a lot of the questions I'm getting are in regards to the overall length. All right, so I'm going to give you a good look at it. The overall height is about 31¼ inches, and then the fork tines measure roughly, looks like 6¼ long. And they do taper up there on the edges, as you can see. Looks like they measure 1 inch by 1 inch. And then this pipe also looks like it measures 1 inch in diameter. The outside measurement of those fork tines or feet, whatever you want to call it, is 6 inches exactly. And then the inside is 4 inches. So I hope that helps. A lot of people got fixated on the cobwebs. Yes. I was out of my shop for about 4.5 months, caring for my father while he was battling cancer. That's why there were cobwebs. I was not in my shop dusting or working, for that matter. Also, another question I got asked was, why did I have earplugs on? And while pulling the pallets doesn't make a lot of noise, pounding out the nails and then using my table saw did. What you saw was just a brief snippet of what I was working on. I was doing other things, so that's why the earplugs. There is something similar on Amazon. I will link that to this video, but I hope that helps for the people that watched and wanted to make one for themselves. Another thing I'll add, it is quite solid and heavy. This bottom part, those are hollow. This is hollow as well, but still, it does have some good weight to it. Definitely don't wear sandals, wear work boots when you're doing this. But yeah, you can modify it. If you're a bigger person, by all means, make it taller. If I wanted to, I have no problem getting leverage on it, but if you wanted to, you could make it, or even stick another pipe down in there. This is the one Dad built for me. Yes, I love it. It is one of my most prized possessions because my dad is no longer with me. So thank you for all of the people that followed recently. And I will see you next time. Take care.